children, welcome to your new class, that is class 12th Humanities. I am Anju Kasarwani, your history teacher. I will be training you how to study and how to make it easy to understand different aspects of history, as it is very important and interesting subject. I hope all of you must be fit and fine, and all of you must be keeping yourself safe. So children, now let's go through our online classes again because of the present situation which are going on. But no issue, because all of you have learned a lot of things throughout this pandemic period. Not only you, but we all, faculties, also have learned a lot of things. So be positive and optimistic, and we should pray to God that the situation must be normal and good again. So children, now let's talk about our subject. In class 12th, all of you have to study the NCERT books. In history, there are 3 books. First is Themes in Indian History Part 1, then Themes in Indian History Part 2, then Themes in Indian History Part 3. It means all of you have to purchase all the 3 parts of the NCERT book of history. If you want to take help from any helping book, then you are free to take help from there also. And there is a book on that is a refresher published by Full Marks Publication. You can have that also. But I make sure that through the online classes, through the live our videos, PPTs and live classes, I will make you understand each and every point very easily. Now let's talk about the exam pattern. Our exam pattern is in 3 bifurcations. First is quarterly, then half-yearly, and then annual. When we talk about half-yearly exam, it is in the bifurcation of 80 plus 20 is equal to 100. Means 80 means pen and paper, means written exam will be of 80 marks, which will be including a varieties of questions which I will be telling you later on. And then 20 marks will be a practical exam, and it is equal to 100. Then again half yearly is in the same way, like 80 marks written, then 20 marks practical, then it is also equal to 100. Then again we will be taking 80 marks written exam in annual, and then 20 marks practical, and it is also equal to 100. This is the evolution pattern of class 11, which we will be following. So children, from the next class, I will be starting the first topic of the first book. So I request you to purchase the books first, so that we can continue our studies in a smooth way. Thank you children, and have a nice day. Thank you.